I completely agree with Frank Davis, former president of the Ghana Bar, Great Accra, when he says that we should be careful not to politicize matters of the judicial. I completely agree. But in this case, it appears to me that it is the NPP that is politicizing the whole thing. Because Samson, in 2024, there was a similar petition against a removal, for the removal of Madam Tokono. And you recall when Tokono was nominated for vetting, I was one of those who said, well, it was a good nomination. I publicly said it. The National Security Coordinator called me to congratulate me for saying it openly. And I still think that, well, she had a very brilliant opportunity to leave a legacy.
And she has shown that she wants to leave a legacy, her leading justice project, right?
So it is not, it is not out of place to say that, well, a Chief Justice who misconducts herself in office should be left in office misconducting herself. No. But it is totally wrong for a political party to assume the fight to protect a Chief Justice. What the NPP is doing currently is implanting on the minds of people that the current Chief Justice is sympathetic to the NPP. If they don't know that, and I had a discussion with Frank Davis, and I said it is even becoming increasingly difficult to talk about a Chief Justice. Because, mind you, she is Chief Justice of the Republic of Ghana.
Fair enough.
Yes. So now, what are we doing? That her lawyers, the people who have gone to court to restrain the president from acting in the face of the Constitution, are all NPP. What does this send? What signal does this send? They are doing Madam Tokono a disservice. And I simply do not understand why NPP is so jumpy. I don't understand. Look, when Koko Azar forwarded the petition to the former president Nana Addo Akufo-Addo, we never heard of the petition until Koko Azar himself published the petition, or somebody published the petition. Nana Akufo-Addo consulted with the Council of State pursuant to Article 146 of the Constitution, took the response of the Chief Justice, Tokono, and decided that the petition did not raise any prima facie case against the Chief Justice.
Threshold.
Did you hear anybody complain?
No. They were muted.
Yeah, they were muted.
Muted response.
But not of the type that we are seeing now. And that is the problem. If NPP doesn't know that they are creating the problem, I'm telling them that they are creating the problem. Look, our Constitution is the supreme law of the land. The Constitution has established institutions and has allocated power to those institutions. We are lawyers. It is only when a duty bearer of public law fails, refuses, neglects to comply with the procedure provided by the Constitution, that we jump into action. Not so. That is our defense. Long ago, Moshe and Bajina established the principle. Rule of law is not only limited to substantive law, but also to what? Procedure. Long ago. That principle has been repeated in many cases in this country. So we as lawyers will watch closely what is happening. Is the president going to short-circuit the process and see whether the rights of the Chief Justice will be protected?